the futuristic Hindu village of Premdhara, nestled in the heart of the sacred Himalayas, love and devotion for Lord Vishnu flourished. The villagers lived in harmony, their hearts filled with bhakti, devotion, and their minds focused on the divine. But one fateful day, the dark forces of the demon king, Bhavasura, descended upon Premdhara, seeking to destroy the villagers' love and devotion. With their advanced dark technology, the demons began to spread hatred and chaos, threatening to shatter the villagers' peaceful existence. The villagers, led by the fearless Panditji, vowed to defend their home and their faith. The villagers of Premdhara, armed with their unwavering devotion and advanced technology infused with divine energy, waged a fierce battle against the demons. Panditji, channeling the power of Lord Vishnu, unleashed the Narayana blade, a radiant energy sword that sliced through the demons' dark forces. The villagers deployed the Garuda drone, a swarm of AI-powered drones inspired by the eagle-like mount of Lord Vishnu, which soared through the skies, striking down the enemy. As the war raged on, the villagers invoked the Vishnu mantra, a powerful chant that resonated with the cosmic energy of the universe. The mantra amplified their strength, and the demons began to falter. Bhavasura, enraged, unleashed his darkest power, but the villagers countered with the Sudarshan shield, a force field generated by the collective devotion of the community. With a final, triumphant cry of Om Namo Narayanaya, the villagers defeated the demons, banishing them from Premdhara forever. The village was saved, and love and devotion for Lord Vishnu flourished once more. The villagers celebrated their victory, knowing that their faith and unity had made them invincible. Panditji declared, "The power of God Vishnu shall forever protect our home and our hearts."